Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert PDF into Excel tables. Now what I have right here is a very simple way of doing it. I have this simple table and I'm just going to go ahead and open my Excel. So now that I'm in Excel, I'm going to head over to the data here and then click from web, and then from here I'm just going to go ahead and copy. Oops, this is not the same. We're going to head over to that particular file, this one right here. So once I'm done copying this one, I'm going to head over to Excel, paste this one, hit OK. And what's going to happen is you should see something like this. So you have these different tables that basically you can copy. So it's up to you which part you'd like to copy. So in my case, I'm going to choose page 1 and go ahead and click transform data, and you're gonna see it like this. So yeah, basically from this point forward, I'm just gonna close this one and you should be able to see something like this. Now, yeah, from this point forward, you can then go ahead and make changes on the table depending on how you see it necessary. So yeah, that is how you are going to convert PDF into Excel tables.